On Thursday last week, in a sudden and surprising move, the rupee decisively breached the resistance at 75.50 and ended the week a lot higher at 74.6300 after touching an intra-week high of 74.61. After remaining broadly stable over the last 2 months time period, the rupee rapidly moved higher in the last 2 days of the week. On Thursday last week, an estimated $2 billion of FDI inflows has hit the market. In the absence of any intervention from RBI and due to thin market conditions, the rupee started to move higher. Typically, after the year-end closing for Reserve Bank of India, they do not intervene in the market for some time, which usurped a sudden up move in the rupee exchange rate. The intervention from RBI remains crucial now to set the trend and direction of the rupee exchange rate. The current account posted a rare surplus of USD 0.6 billion in the January-March quarter. The current account surplus was mainly due to lower trade gap and sizable increase in private remittances. India's key industrial output contracted in May on virus impact. Also, India's April-May budget deficit reached 58.6% of FY 2021 target. The virus outbreak with increasing death tolls in our country and the weaker macroeconomic fundamentals do not justify any sustained rise in the rupee beyond the 75.00 mark over the medium term. It should be noted that in the April-June 2020 quarter, the BSE Sensex had risen by 18.48%, but the rupee registered a gain of 0.23% in absolute terms against the dollar in the said period. If the Reserve Bank of India permits the rupee to appreciate, it is quite possible that the huge FDI inflows in the pipeline could take the rupee much higher than the 74 level, which would be an unfavorable exchange rate to the exporters. The exports are already sagging and the market expects the export growth to be at least 20% negative in the current financial year. In the April-June quarter, the broad stability in the rupee exchange rate can be attributed to the active buy-side intervention from RBI and the forex reserves soared by $30 billion in the above period. RBI's intervention also helped to inject ample rupee liquidity into the system to form part of the stimulus measures to boost credit offtake in the economy. Due to strong up move in the rupee exchange rate and a surge in rupee liquidity, the forwards up to 6-month maturities have dipped significantly lower. The 3-month forward dollar premium is currently quoted at 3.55% per annum, and a further fall in the near-term forward dollar premia can be expected during the next 1 week time frame. The significant appreciation in forward rupee for near-term maturities provide a good opportunity to importers to hedge their payables at a favorable exchange rate.